So the process to change language on Shein app is quite easy and simple. Just go and open up your app, and once that is open, tap on this person icon at the right bottom corner. And once you are here, you need to go to settings. For that, go and tap on this settings gear at the right top corner. And once you are inside here, the process is quite simple. So you'll have this language tab, tap on this, and depending upon the country that you are in or the region that you are in, you have different options. So to change the region, you can also change the region from here. And now you can just go and change the language. For example, in my case, it is Deutsch. So I would just select that. And now the language is changed. So hope by doing so, you'll be able to change language on Sheen app. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.